My name is Samir Patil, and I'm a fellow for International Security Studies at Gateway House. I recently wrote a paper titled India's Defense Industrial Agenda. Since 2014, under the Make in India initiative, the government has promoted the private sector and startups in defense manufacturing. The aim is not only to build the manufacturing capacity, but also to achieve technological competency. I recommend in my paper that to accelerate domestic defense industrialization, the government needs to initiate flagship defense technology development programs which will cater to future defense acquisitions. Ideally, these flagship programs should be based on existing competencies such as information technology. India already has the like-minded diplomatic partners in the field of defense technologies, the United States, Japan, and Israel. With these countries, India has initiated multiple projects to co-develop and co-produce defense technologies. This should be expanded in scope to include partners like Australia and technologies like additive manufacturing or 3D printing, which has begun to be used in the production of civil and military aerospace and naval systems components. One existing opportunity which has emerged is the entry of startups in this sector. Currently, there are several startups which are engaged in developing new prototypes, products, and technologies for the Indian military. Among the major players is IdeaForge, which is specialized in making the unmanned aerial vehicles or the drones. The company has provided these drones to the Indian military, paramilitary, and a number of governmental departments. Another notable startup is Aero Technologies, which has been working with the Defense Research and Development Organization, or the DRDO, to develop a commercial underwater remotely operated vehicle which can be used for surveillance as well as repair. Then there are many other startups. Axis Biosolutions, which has developed a specialized bandage to be used for injured personnel in combat. Viz Experts, which provides geospatial intelligence related products, and Tonbo Imaging, which has developed advanced imaging and sensor systems. Many of these technologies being developed by these startups are dual use technologies. Moreover, the government has also launched IDEX, or the Innovations in Defense Excellence Program, which works with the research and development institutions, academia, industry, and more importantly, startups to innovate solutions for the Indian military. The program is being managed by the Defense Innovation Organization, or the DIO. The IDEX has identified several technologies which will augment the operational and combat capabilities of the Indian military. These include the soldier protection systems, secure hardware encryption devices, GPS anti-jam devices, unmanned and underwater drones, and 4G or LTE tactical local area networks, among many others. Interestingly, not just the Indian military, but also the paramilitary or the security forces have also utilized the ITEX program. In June last year, the Central Reserve Police Force, through the Startup India CRPF Grand Challenge, had sought innovative solutions for its specific problems in the combat. Currently, the IDEX program is being managed through the DIO by two defense public sector units, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited. But to unlock the real potential of the IDEX program, the private sector needs to be brought in managing the DIO. This will help in identifying emerging technological trends and the commercialization of these technologies. The example of the IDEX shows that beyond the obvious market for the defense forces, the innovation ecosystem and startups can unlock huge homeland security market, not just in India, but also other markets abroad. Thank you.